ingredients, we have agar, sugar, and egg. For agar, we call yang cai in Mandarin and dai choi si in Cantonese. For sugar, we call tang in Mandarin and tong in Cantonese. For egg, we call gai dan in Cantonese and ji dan in Mandarin. First, we are going to boil the water and then we are going to cook the agar strip here. And then let the whole thing dissolve. So we soak it and let it cook. Okay, now when it starts boiling, you have to make sure all the agar strips are dissolved, and then we're going to add the sugar and the egg, and then we're going to cool this thing down. So after all the agars dissolve, it will look something like this, thick and vicious. And now we're going to add the sugar. Okay, so here I've added 2.5 tablespoons of sugar into this agar solution, and then we are going to beat the eggs. Okay, so after the sugar is added, and then we're going to add the beaten eggs. We usually beat the egg like this, so 1, 2, 3, and then you beat it, so etc. to bring to a egg like this. And then we are going to add the egg flakes to make a beautiful egg flakes to the agar. So you can do it like something like this. Now you can see it will look something like egg flakes, something like that. And then we are going to cool it down. So keep a little bit stirring under that, so you can see it will become something like this. Really gorgeous, beautiful egg flakes. And then after this egg flake is done, we are going to cool this thing down. And then we are going to cool down this agar, egg agar, and then after this we are going to keep it in the refrigerator for 3 hours at least, and then this dessert will be done. Okay, so after we freeze the agar, then we are going to flip this out. We're going to flip this agar out. So it will be something like this after this. And then we're going to cut it into pieces and then to garnish it, and then you can serve this. Way to go, guys. So right now you know how to make this really simple Hong Kong style egg agar, which means 蛋花大菜糕 in Cantonese and 蛋花大菜糕 in Mandarin. I hope you like what I've introduced to you today. Be sure to give me a like and share and subscribe, comment. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next video and more 5 ingredients cooking coming soon. 我哋下次見，拜拜。